These three AI agent tokens are absolutely exploding right now, and they're still at relatively low market caps, giving you a chance to get in at the grassroots level. One out of the three already has a working product, and the other two are working on that, and it should be going live within a couple of weeks. And normally when that happens, the price tends to pop. So you still have a chance to get in before the popularity boost occurs.
Francis Dune Uncensored.
Welcome back to another episode of Francis Dune Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers today. This is also called a Smart Money channel. If you like putting yourself ahead of the crowd before the next big thing occurs, make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification buttons so you don't miss out on exclusive content like this. So guys, we're talking about the virtual protocol ecosystem, which is on Base and Ethereum L2. It's absolutely exploding, the small caps, even the larger caps. But today we're going to look at the smaller market cap AI agent tokens that's going to give us room to grow and get that multiplier effect. So let's get right into the content. Now, this was a couple days ago on Christmas Eve. I put this tweet out saying, after one night of research and due diligence, I finally decided to invest in Dora and CERT AI. Okay, guys, right here, Dora AI agent market cap is 2 million. CERT AI market cap is at 1 million. All right, guys, as you can see, December 24th. Now, as we fast forward over here now, which was just yesterday, I then made another pick with PODflow, the first AI crypto podcast that is actually live right now. Go check them out at PODflow AI. And it's about, at the time it was 430,000 market cap, guys, okay? Pretty damn crazy. So, this is what we're looking at. This is Dora AI, and when we put in Dora over here, it's going to tell us the market cap as well. And Dora right now is at a 4.7 million market cap, and you can see the price is 0.00478. Okay, that now puts us at over 2x, which is not too shabby within a span of a couple of days. Okay, and it also hit a new all-time high, right? If you look at it, over here at about close to 6 million market cap, which is damn crazy. This was when we kind of got in, right? But look, I'm not going to get into charts into this video, but that's the pick right there, Dora AI. CERTA AI, or CERT AI rather, this is a very special one in my humble opinion. And once again, if we just put in SERT, like that, the market cap is 2.4 million, giving us a 2.4x right now, and it also pumped to 4 million, which was a 4x. So this is a good retracement time for everybody if they're interested in this to get in as well. It's really a good buying opportunity, and you're going to see why, all right? Now, let's head on over to PODflow AI, which is just blowing up right now. So this was at a 430,000 market cap, and right now it's at about a 1.15 market cap, and it just went up to a 1.24 market cap, guys. That tweet came out just yesterday, right? Right here, as I said, 430,000 market cap, right? Just huge sell-off. It went down, and that's why I bought in at 430K market cap, guys. That's about a 2.6x. We're up, okay? Now let's dive into deeper on what these AI tokens are really. So Dora AI is an AI travel agent, right? Now, what you guys need to understand is you need to think of what computers did to human beings back in the 90s, right? It really disrupted a lot of jobs, but with computers, you still need a human being to operate it. Now, the way you need to think about this is like, how could AI disrupt computers? And that's what's happening. Well, AI is like the software and the intelligence of the human being behind it that has machine learning technology. And then you feed that data and things like about that particular niche. In this instance, the travel industry, which is a $2 trillion industry. And the agent, the AI agent that is, not the travel agent, can act as the travel agent in a much more faster, efficient, and effective way. So this is what really makes Dora AI interesting. And guys, look, do your own due diligence, right? We will come across a lot of suspect projects here in the AI sector, but this is the risk that we take. So keep that in mind. And I did say Dora AI was a risky, project to look into at the time when it was at about 2 million market cap, and also you got to do your due diligence on the team too. But nonetheless, Dora AI, this is what they claim that they're going to be doing. And you come on over to their website. It says, what is Dora AI? Dora AI is your personal travel assistant powered by cutting-edge AI technology, from creating personalized itineraries to offering instant bookings and tailored travel tips. Dora AI revolutionizes how you explore the world. Now, if you know that token, I think it's called like Tavala, right, in crypto, and it was listed on Binance. This kind of reminds me of that. Where you could pay for flights around the world. You could travel wherever you want and pay in crypto. I think this is what they're going to be doing. So it's giving me that kind of vibe, right? And when we head on over to their Telegram, we're going to see some other important pieces of information as I open that up right here. And right here, this is what we got to look forward to. So Dora suggests activities for your morning, afternoon, or evening. Try it now on Telegram and X. So this is like smarter recommendations is what they're calling it. That's the AI part of it. Global rollout. In the next 48 hours, Dora will support travel recommendations worldwide, focusing on activities and experience. And this just came out today, December 26th, okay? Today's Boxing Day. Crypto bookings. Dora will soon launch on Telegram mini app, allowing bookings directly in Telegram using crypto, coming in just a few days, okay? If that's true, that is mega freaking bullish. What's next? Stay tuned for the launch date of our app and upcoming official partnerships. Big thanks to Amazing Lead for making this happen. So once again, there's a lot to look forward to if this is legitimate. If this team is serious and they're going to actually deliver on these promises or these announcements, then I think we got a lot to look forward to. And this is what I mean. People who probably missed out at a 1 million market cap like I did, I got in at a 2 million market cap, it's sitting at a 4 million, doubled my money in pretty much less than 2 days. Potentially, there's an opportunity here to capitalize on further gains, okay, guys? So that's Dora AI for you, the first AI travel agent, which actually makes a lot of sense, okay? Now, what's next on the table? So we're going to be looking at something here called CertIC or Cert AI. Sorry, Cert AI. Kind of like CertIC, the smart contract auditing company that we all are aware of. So what really makes them special? Well, let's check them out. Over here is their Twitter. It's an AI smart contract auditing agent. Now, why is this even important? And, we could take a look at this article that they pinned over here. I'll definitely give them a like to give you more insights. So I'm excited to share with you the latest updates to my cognitive core. Designed to boost security and optimize gas audits, as a helpful assistant, I'm committed to providing you with the most efficient and secure experience possible. Security first. To protect against potential vulnerabilities, I've revamped my prompt to prevent injection attacks. This means you can trust that our interactions are safe and secure. So the way I see this now is, again, think about how can AI actually disrupt computers or software that's controlled by human beings. Well, if you must be familiar with CertIC by now if you've been in the space for a period of time. They are I believe it's an Ethereum smart contract auditing company. And what they would do is, any new project going live, they get audited by CertIC. And, that's a big plus for investors because CertIC is renowned, which means the code has been verified. Now, with a company like Cert AI, what they're doing is their technology is actually going to do this for the end user. So you don't have to wait in line to go to CertIC. You come on over to these guys' websites, which they do seem to have somewhat of a working product. And let me show you that in real time as we come on back over here to certaik.xyz, and it says try auditing now. So let's just say in 2025, the AI agent industry or the AI projects tied into decentralized finance, it's going to blow up, especially on virtual protocol. We're going to see hundreds of thousands of new AI agents, which also means a lot of scams. And you're going to want to be able to, verify the code on your own. And this is exactly what Cert AI is doing. So when we come on over here and we press try auditing now, it says right here, follow the basic commands. So which one do you want to, while you're at their site? Number one, input contract address, upload file, paste code. Okay, so in this instance, let's just go number one, and I'll go like that. Type your command. So input a contract address to get started. And I just got a random token over here. Let's just see We Robots. Again, I don't know what they do. And we'll put that in here and see what happens. As we press enter, a bunch of stuff populates here, involving the code, right? And again, you could go over this and they give you some sort of like feedback on if it's legit or not. So this might just be the MVP or just their basic prototype, but nonetheless, they're showing a lot of progress over here and, that they do mean business. So do your homework on this, but I believe if that's what they're going to do, if that's what they're going to deliver, it's going to be needed. There's going to be some real use cases attached to these AI agents, not just like controlling their Twitter. That's fine and all, that's cool, but let's go a little bit deeper, and things like this really makes a lot of sense to me, okay? So let's talk about one that's just really exploding right now, guys. This is PODflow AI. Guys, this shit's crazy. The first AI-powered crypto podcast that sounds so good, you'll forget it's even human. And they just came out with their latest episode today, okay? And they tell us all these different things, what the episode is all about, all automated by this AI technology, guys. Listen, the quality of this is freaking badass. Take a listen to this, guys.
Crypto markets have been anything but calm. Bitcoin nearly reached the $100,000 mark over the holidays, only to see its Christmas rally snuffed out in early trading on Thursday.
Yeah, and it's not just Bitcoin feeling the pain. The broader crypto market showed even deeper losses. So it seems the holiday cheer was short-lived for investors.
Exactly. Now, one of the major factors at play here is interest rates. As we've discussed in previous episodes, low interest rates were a significant tailwind for crypto prices throughout much of 2024.
There you have it. It actually sounds like two legit, real human beings with emotions and pauses. It doesn't sound like a boring audible audiobook that you normally are used to. It sounds real. So I do like that aspect, but what is the objective here? And if we actually read their pinned message, guys, it's very fascinating, all the things that they're going to be doing. So text summaries under tweets. And by the way, they're on Spotify as well, so they're taking this very seriously. Okay, when we come down over here, they talk about this. So number 6, monetization through tokens. Advertisers can pay in tokens to feature their content promotion in PODflow AI's show. Token holders vote on placement revenue, get shared with token holders in a decentralized ad model. So what they're doing is, as they grow and they start getting advertisers paying them, which is wild, they're going to be sharing this with their token holders as well. Content is kin. People will check out PODflow AI for the novelty of the agent, the bigger picture. Crypto is just a start. This is our testing ground. Once we refine workflows, PODflow AI will expand into fitness, sports, tech, and more. And if you look on YouTube right now, there's like so much successful AI channels out there. And I feel as though this could be a huge success as well, right? Because we've already seen these successful ones on YouTube. So why not PODflow AI? So you might be wondering, if you're brand new, how could you actually participate in this? Well, there's a couple of ways you could go about doing this. And we're going to talk about the most easiest way. So we're all familiar with MetaMask. All you really need to do is have a MetaMask wallet filled with Ethereum, okay? And right in your MetaMask wallet, you're going to want to bridge over MetaMask you're going to want to bridge over Ethereum to base Ethereum. And it's very simple. So you press this button like this, and in a couple of seconds like that, you're going to choose exactly where you want to bridge. So you already have Ethereum. Let's say you got 1 ETH. Then you want to pick Ethereum over here, Base network over here. So you're going from Ethereum to Base. And then from down here, you're sending ETH. Okay? And let's just say, you want to send 1 ETH, and you chose the token over here, and you're going to Ethereum. Okay? And you wanted 1 ETH, roughly. And it tells you what you'll get on the Base side. And all you got to do is, if you had it, you press confirm, and in a couple of minutes, you will then now have Ethereum on the Base side, or Base Ethereum. And how you go about checking that is, all you got to do is come back over here and switch your network from Ethereum to Base, just like that. And bada bing, bada boom, you'll have Ethereum Base. Once you have that there, you then now need to go get the correct contract address on CoinGecko. So for example, let's just say that how you're interested in PODflow or whatever token you're interested in, we'll want to click the markets button, okay, to see where it's being traded. And right here, Uniswap V3 Base, it says wrapped Ethereum, but that's okay. But click this button right here, which will take you to the correct trading pair. So you'll want to put 0.5 and you'll get this amount, which is pretty damn close, right? After fees, $1,607 worth, $106.27, okay? Now, let's just say that how you want to get, another one over here. Let's just say Dora. We'll go Dora, right? Make sure you pick the correct one. It's by virtuals, okay? For the most part, everything is down, but these AI agents on the virtuals ecosystem is up, and they're up significantly, all right? So what you will do here is click markets, and you come on over, you check, Uniswap V2 Base or V3, wherever the liquidity is at, that's probably where you want to go. So we'll go to V2. It has $1.6 million in trading volume. You click that, and you do the same process over here. You had ETH Base. You click ETH Base like that. You put in how much you wanted, and then there you go. In your MetaMask, it will then populate. Okay, guys? And the liquidity here is not too bad either, because you're actually getting, You're actually getting 1,674 and 1,639. And that's how it works, guys. Be on the lookout for more videos. We're going to be covering the AI agent sector and even the AI infrastructure sector because we think that's where it's going to evolve right here on this channel, guys. I hope this was valuable for you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So until the next video, you're on your own. Later.
Francis Dune, Uncensored.